Welcome to Car Culture Club, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive trends, reviews, and deep dives into cutting-edge vehicles. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Hitachi, a new entry that's making waves with its bold design, future-forward technology, and powerful performance metrics that promise to redefine what we expect from modern mobility. The 2025 Hitachi brings a futuristic design language that blends aerodynamics with a clean, sculpted profile. LED lighting runs across the front fascia, seamlessly integrated into the grille for a sleek and aggressive presence on the road. The body is made from lightweight composite materials, improving fuel efficiency while maintaining structural rigidity. The wheelbase has been extended slightly to offer more cabin space without compromising handling, and ground clearance is adjustable thanks to an advanced adaptive suspension system that responds in real time to road conditions. Under the hood, the new Hitachi is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a high-efficiency turbocharged engine with dual electric motors, delivering a total output of 370 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.8 seconds while still offering exceptional fuel economy. The transmission is a next-gen 8-speed automatic with intelligent shift logic, adapting to the driver's style and terrain to maximize both performance and comfort. Regenerative braking contributes to battery recharge, further enhancing the eco-friendly aspect of this vehicle. Inside the cabin, the Hitachi is a tech lover's dream. A curved 15-inch infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, running on an updated OS with seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, and real-time AI-powered driving assistance. A secondary screen sits behind the steering wheel as a customizable digital cockpit. Wireless charging pads, ambient lighting with over 60 color combinations, and heated and ventilated seats in both the front and rear make for a luxurious driving experience. The interior materials are sustainable yet premium, featuring vegan leather, recycled aluminum trims, and natural fiber composites. On the safety front, the 2025 Hitachi includes the full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. This includes adaptive cruise control with lane centering, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. It also features a new predictive AI navigation system that learns from your driving habits and suggests optimized routes accordingly. The Hitachi also debuts a new over-the-air update platform, which means the vehicle's software, features, and even performance settings can be improved continuously after purchase. This positions it more as a tech ecosystem on wheels rather than just a conventional car. If you're into futuristic design, intelligent features, and powerful yet efficient